Hi everyone. So England versus West Indies ODI series is also starting from today. Apart from playoffs of IPL 2025, England are in a deep muddle because they are placed at number 8 position, West Indies at number 9 position. These two teams need to get automatic qualification. There are total 5 ODI match series in this. There will be again a lot of pressure on Harry Brook, the captain, the batter now. Buttler has been released from the captaincy duties and everything. And if you look at West Indies now, it has been the same technique and I would say same pattern that their batters aren't scoring runs. Against Ireland, they won one ODI, but the earlier one they lost very badly. The series was scored by 1-1. And now Aaron Sammy being at the head of all three formats, West Indies need to win each and every game, because in 2018-19 they played the qualifiers and qualified for the World Cup, but in 2023 qualifiers didn't qualify. So if you ask about my prediction, I am going with England because they are very much ruthless and destructive at their own backyard, but don't count West Indies out as well.